So you're thinking about having Crawl Space Ninja encapsulate your crawl space. Let's take a closer look at the 4 different packages to figure out which one is right for you. Let's look at the Gold package. This package includes the following: a dehumidifier, an active ventilation system, sealing of your crawl space vents, air sealing the subfloor, soda blasting all wood surfaces in the crawl space, application of a disinfectant solution, installation of our Crawl Space Ninja 12mm vapor barrier and foam board insulation. Customers usually go with the Gold package if the crawl space is a few years older and there is evidence of mold growing on the floor joists and no evidence of water intrusion. The first component of the Gold package is the dehumidifier. Crawl Space Ninja exclusively uses April air dehumidifiers. Recognized as Energy Star's most efficient dehumidifier for 2022, these units set the standard for humidity control and energy efficiency. With intuitive digital controls, you can easily set and control the moisture inside your crawl space to reduce harmful airborne contaminants that impact your home's health, comfort, and structure. The next component is our active ventilation system. The active ventilation system provides air circulation in the crawl space using mechanical fans. They keep your home and crawl space free from potential harmful odors and gases that may build up. Sealing up the crawl space vents is the third component of the Gold package. Sealing the crawl space vents is needed to help control humidity. Proper ventilation is just as important in crawl space encapsulation as humidity control. The fourth component is air sealing the subfloor. You want to make sure that the crawl space is sealed from the rest of the home. The reason for this is to help keep sodium bicarbonate out of the living space during the soda blasting process. This also creates an air barrier between the two spaces. After that, Crawl Space Ninja applies a disinfectant solution from Anna Beck. The solution penetrates the wood, killing the mold root system. Crawl Space Ninja will also install our 10-rated termite-resistant foam board insulation. Foam board is a great way to keep your crawl space comfortable. The foam board is applied to the walls in order to create a thermal barrier between the cold or warm wall and the crawl space. Lastly, we use our exclusive Crawl Space Ninja vapor barrier to encapsulate the crawl space to reduce water vapor intrusion in the space. This product is then mechanically attached to the walls with the Hilti GX3 gas-actuated fastening tool. We then use our high-performance, exclusive seam tape to seal the seams of the vapor barrier to complete our closed encapsulation system. Now keep in mind the Gold package does not include a water management system. That is only available in the Platinum package. So that's it for the Gold encapsulation package from Crawl Space Ninja. To learn more about all the Crawl Space Ninja encapsulation systems, make sure to visit us at crawlspaceninja.com.